Hello guys, today we learn what is XML. XML is an extensible markup language. XML becomes a W3 standard recommendation in 1998. The tag-based system syntax is very much like the HTML. XML is not a replacement of HTML. The X means extensible, means you can make your own tags. There is no issue. XML is a foundation of several popular information formats, like Microsoft Office uses XML to represent Word, Excel, PowerPoint files. SVG schedule vectors graphics also used in XML. Like web services, SOAP is used to enterprise data exchange between the system to system over the internet. And you can see RSS, Atom used to be published blogs. Means really simple syndication. It, it is an easy way for you to keep up with news and information that is important to you and helps you avoid the conventional method of browsing or searching for information on the websites. And XML is used to structure XML is used to structure and describe information. XML was intended to be used over the internet to transfer the data from one system to another system, from one location to another location through the internet. XML is designed to be human readable, used to exchange data between different disparate systems. Let us see XML syntax. You can see first line XML version 1.0 encoding UTF-8. Here see you can the version 1.0 and encoding UTF-8 when taking the 8-bit. So that is the first line XML declaration which is optional. After that you can see implied details, that is the root element which show the implied details of the any company. And after that you can see the run tag imply and closing tag imply. So this is the child element of the root element. After that you can see imply name, Sally, imply city. This is the children of the imply nodes. And also each may be other siblings. And when you see here, you can see each of these node must be closed, like imply detail, that is root node, which is closed here in large. Imply also will be closed here, and their element in that, like their details like imply id, and there is value like 1 imply id, that is closed. Imply name Raj, imply name, that is closed. Salary 2000, salary, that is closed. And imply city Mumbai, and this is the Mumbai value, and there is the tax. So also you know that XML document is sensitive. So whatever you can write here, same thing will be closing statements. Now let us see XML attribute example. First we see here like XML version, declaration part, encoding UTF-8, and after that you can see root element like imply details, and there is child element imply, and you can see that is attribute name and their value like it will should be in the double quotes. And after that you can see children like imply id, name, and Sally imply city, that is closed. And in next imply details you can see department sales, imply id, name, Sally imply city, and that is closed. So note, attributes are used to distinguish among elements of the same name when you don't want to create a new element for every situation. Hence, the use of attribute can add a little more detail in the differentiating two or more similar elements. So you can see here this data belongs to IT department and this data belongs to sales department. So attribute was introduced for this. Now how can do the comments? Also you can comments in the XML document, so it cannot be executed. So simply you can left angular bracket, and this one hyphen, double hyphen, and you can write here or comment here, and closing tag also need to double hyphen and right angular bracket, that is closed. So this is the comment in the document. Now how can see whether whichever I write the XML tags it is valid or not. So Google, open google.com and search for XML viewer, and you can see there is first result JSON formatter. So best XML viewer online. So click on this. This can be open. Now first take our simple imply details and check whether this is valid or not. So XML viewer, put here whatever input XML. So I put here. So also you can see in like three format, like there is one imply details and there is value like imply ID, imply name, salary, and imply CT. Now whether we, you can check here this is valid or not. So click on validate. So you can see here valid XML. And also there is one tab like format beautify. So click on this. You can see this is the in good format, like readable format, like imply details and tag imply, and there is children of the imply. So imply ID, name, salary, and imply details. Also sometimes we need a single line, so there is option like compact. So click on this and you can see this will be in single line. Copy this, and I open a one Visual Studio, and there is one file, XML file. When you So you can see this is the mini compact format, and again you can click on format beautify, so you can see very easily in the good manner formatted XML format. After that, here we understand like XML attribute example. So I have two records for the implied details, like implied details imply, and there you can see attribute there, like name of the attributes like department, and their value should be in the double quote. So you can see IT, and then imply ID, imply name, salary, and imply CT. And after that you can see imply second record, that is department equal to sales. So imply ID 2, imply name, salary, imply city, and this one close, and main root element also will close here. Now let us see what is attributes are used to distinguish among elements of the same time of the same name when you don't want to create a new element for every situation. Hence the use of attribute can add little more details in differentiating two or more similar elements. So also you can validate this uh, like attributes XML tag example. So open XML viewer, delete this one and paste this one, and you can see imply details. There is two record like imply 2. After that you can see 1 and 2. In one there is 5 elements, and second one that is second elements. So whether it is valid or not, simply click on validate. So that is the valid XML, and also you can format or beautify. So click on this, you can see the details like this in a human-readable format. So you can easily read like imply detail, that is root element, imply department, and their value like imply ID, name, salary, and imply city. And same way there you can see that is another records for the department cells which are present imply true, imply name, salary. Now what is comments? Also you can do the comments in HTML tags. Simply you can write left angular bracket, this one minus double hyphen your comments put here and double hyphen so right angular bracket close. So this way you can put the comments in your XML tag. You can see here XML viewer through the XML viewer, and also you can see the nesting. And now here you also see one more example nested XML. So copy this one. Here you can see imply department IT and imply ID, imply name, imply city. And also you can see one more tag here like reporting office, location daily, locations, and this is closed, and this one. Also in the second details like reporting office, location Punjab, and reporting of enclosed, that is imply details. So you can see here nested XML element in the XML tags. So you can also check this XML tag which are nested, it's valid or not. Simply copy this one, delete previous, and put this one. So you can see implied details and their child implied you can see imply ID, name, salary, imply city, and also there you can see like array like reporting office, location, daily, and last you can see their attribute like department, that is IT. Same you can see here imply ID, name, imply city, and reporting office, location Punjab, and their department is sales. And check whether it is valid or not, so simply click on valid. So you can see this is the valid XML documents tags, and when you click on format beautify, so you can easily see the tags in a better manner. Also you can minify compact the XML tag, you can see here. Now click on format beautify. So finally you can see the XML overview and XML tags. That is very useful to transfer the data over the internet to one system to another system in different location through the XML tag which are human readable also, and it is machine independence. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.